Losing a gut is very fucking hard. Only if you're not using this system. Because being fat for almost 10 years of my life, I found the solution that helped me personally lose 100 pounds of fat and help hundreds of my clients lose stubborn fat and gain muscle, feel confident in their own skin, and let's be real, have a great time in bed. This fat loss system is proven to work, and once done right, you'll see results faster and easier than anyone you know. So in this video, I'm going to reveal my 3-step fat loss flywheel, which helps anyone lose fat without any fancy diets or endless cardio. Let's begin. Step 1. Cognitive cut. To get to the heart of the matter, I have to first address the most important component of my fat loss flywheel. And being a fitness trainer for almost 8 years, I can say without any doubt, 92% of people never get it right. Let me explain with an example of 2 people. Person A. He wakes up early in the morning, drinks water, smashes the gym. Even if some days, his routine is messed up, his partner is angry, or his boss sucked at the job. He doesn't quit, but he adapts. Person B. He wakes up early in the morning, drinks water, goes for a walk, and lifts heavy ass weight, but only when he is amped up from watching some motivational content. You could clearly see person B is struggling with motivation, not because his plan is broken, or he lacked effort, or his body failed, but because he didn't focus on one thing: mindset. The problem is his home brain, his thoughts, his cravings. Do you remember that quote? When there's no enemy inside, the enemy outside can't harm you. It blends perfectly into the mindset of person B. And that's why only a few setbacks kill his months of progress within seconds. Mindset is the master key to losing fat on autopilot. It's the reason why some people look obese, while some people have movie star physiques, Hollywood confidence, and killer attractiveness. And if you're struggling with your own mindset right now, don't worry. I have a crazy solution that some of you won't even believe will work. It's a powerful one-line secret that took me from this to this. Let me paste this on the screen. Ready. You don't lose weight to get healthy. You get healthy to lose weight. It's a hypnotic line that instantly shifts your mindset. I found 9 years ago. I wrote it in my notes, and since then, I'm following it religiously. Now, you can write it on your forearm, write it on some sticky notes, and glue them on a wall or apply it as your phone's background. Just make sure it's in front of your eyes most of the day. Now that I've rewired your mindset, I fixed your thoughts, your cravings. There's still one problem left. Even if someone has the right mindset, they'll struggle to lose weight only if they're not eating the right meals, battling decision fatigue every time they open the fridge. But fortunately, I never struggled with this ever because I discovered Nutrition Max. After helping hundreds of people lose fat and gain muscle, I found one common pattern. You see, most diet plans nowadays solve problems that are the tip of the iceberg, like cutting carbs, diet challenges, supplements. But after some deep research, I found that there are only a handful of diets that are sustainable or proven to work in the long term. But you may ask, what's the hidden reason behind that? Let me explain with an example. Imagine your TV remote batteries are dead, so you go into the shop and you meet a man in a sexy suit appears, who seems pretty much like a salesman. After an awkward handshake, he immediately tries to sell you a fancy TV, some Wi-Fi boosters, and a premium Netflix subscription. But why? When all you needed were some freaking remote batteries. Just because they sound way fancy and cost you more. And the same goes for your nutrition. A lot of people obsess over cookbooks, terkesterones, fat burners, detox teas, and all that fad diet nonsense. And all you need is a simple diet trick, a diet plan which worked for 1 week, 1 year, or heck, even 10 years. So every time you watch some fitness joker online, don't stress. Focus on the simple stuff. Don't let anyone play with your money by selling you some magical foods, magical pills, or magical tea shit. Remember, the simpler the diet plan is, the easier it is for anyone to sustain. And to make it very fucking simple, I use nutrition maxing. But what's nutrition maxing? It's a systemic approach to max out nutrition. Let me explain. First, use smaller plates, chopsticks, and the knife and fork rule. After you've done it, you have maximized your nutrition. Let me explain step by step. For fats, avocados, olives, nuts, cheese, butter, coconut oil, ghee, beef, tallow. For proteins, chicken thighs with skin, ribeye steak, salmon with skin. For low carb calories, vegetables, kale, spinach, cauliflower, broccoli. After tuning in the right mindset and nutrition system, you're already ahead of 90% of people in the game. But to get those extra 10%, the third step of my flywheel system is habit stacking. In my 8 years of fat loss journey, I struggle with one thing a lot: habits. Some days I was consistent, and to be honest, very fucking motivated to work. But some days I was in a mental turmoil, desperately self-sabotaging myself. I tried my best to avoid this, but I just can't. You feel me? But after some self-reflection and reading back my own research, I found that habits are the hidden gem that most people never find in their fat loss journey. And if I'm being honest, they work the same like an autopilot feature on a plane. And if you don't know anything about it, it's basically a built-in feature in planes that pilots use to reach their destination without lifting a finger. They use the autopilot feature, and once you install habits in your fat loss journey, trust and believe, man, you'll save years of trials and tribulations, and everything will go smoothly like a business class flight. To get results faster and easier than anyone else, I use habit stacking for myself and my clients. In this easy to follow approach, you add habits that you think can fit into your lifestyle. Here are the habits which are proven to work time and time again for people struggling to lose weight. 1. Walk 10 to 30 minutes after meals. It lowers blood sugar and insulin by 30 to 50%. 2. Eat 30 to 40 grams of protein per meal. Muscle synthesis, higher metabolic rate. 3. No food 3 to 5 hours before bed. Improves sleep and fat burning. 4. Sweat regularly. Detoxification. Use saunas, workouts, even hot car plus hoodie. 5. Track progress. Track and build systems. And if you're not tracking, you're slacking. So now you're thinking, you way ahead of the competition, right? Not quite yet, because there's one big reason most people will struggle to lose fat. And to prove my point, I have to tell you that the health and well-being industry is worth $5 trillion, and no wonder it's $5 trillion. The ads, the pills, the magazines, the supplements, the surgeries, etc., etc. Meaning that there's an 80% chance you'll still fall into this trap of these fancy solutions. To make sure you're 100% locked in on your weight loss journey without even second guessing about any nonsense online, let me bust some hidden fat gainers that nobody talks about. Number 1, avoid seed oils like canola, soybeans, and safflower. Avoid high fructose corn syrups, processed carbs. To be honest, this might shock you, but if you eat grated cheese, it contains potato starch as an anti-caking agent, which can spike insulin and trigger cravings. This tiny detail can sabotage fat loss efforts, but nobody talks about it. The second one, you know your body naturally releases stored energy each morning through hormone signals. Eating breakfast, especially carbs, interrupts this process and can actually make you more tired, despite being called the most important meal. Alright, you want me to expose more? Hell yeah. Avoid mouthwash that lowers testosterone, fluoride toothpaste, plastic bottles, containers, and receipts. BPA exposure. Toxins equal silent fat gain triggers. Focus on strategies sustainable for 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 months, 2 years. All right, there you go. After implementing all these things, I guarantee you'll lose weight and build muscle. But as Bill Gates once said, everyone needs a coach. It doesn't matter whether you're a basketball player, a tennis player, a gymnast, or a bridge player. This is true as the sunrise. I promise my coach played a very fat role in helping me lose over 100 pounds quicker than most people I've seen in my life. He acted like an alarm for sure. He awakened my inner beast every time I felt lost. Because of him, I was featured in Men's Health, Life, and Well, and much more. I love you, coach. And now if you want me to change your life so you feel proud of your body, your abs, and let's be honest, having Hollywood confidence and turning heads in the gym, just click the link below and let's work together.